Before you choose your next insurance provider, there's one important catch you need to know about USAA. Many people consider it one of the best insurance companies in America, but millions of drivers and homeowners can't even become customers. So, is USAA Insurance actually worth the hype in 2026, or is it simply a great option for a limited group of people? USAA continues to build a strong reputation by serving active duty military members, veterans, eligible family members, and certain military affiliates, allowing the company to focus on the unique needs of the military community. It offers a broad selection of insurance products, including auto, home renters, motorcycle, life, and valuable personal property coverage, making it possible to manage multiple policies under one provider. One of its biggest advantages is competitive pricing, especially for eligible drivers with clean records, although premiums still vary depending on location, driving history, vehicle type, coverage limits, and personal risk factors. The company also provides several discounts, including safe driver rewards, multi-policy savings, multi-vehicle discounts, vehicle storage options for deployed service members, and savings for qualifying safety features. Customer service remains one of USAA's strongest points, with many policyholders reporting a straightforward claims process, knowledgeable support representatives, and a mobile app that makes it easy to pay bills, file claims, upload documents, access digital insurance cards, and manage policies from almost anywhere. Financial stability is another major strength, giving customers confidence that claims can be handled even during large-scale disasters. On the other hand, the biggest limitation is eligibility, since people without a qualifying military connection generally cannot purchase coverage. In some regions, premiums may also be higher than local competitors, depending on individual circumstances, so comparing quotes is always a smart move. Overall, USAA Insurance delivers a balanced combination of solid coverage options, dependable customer support, useful digital tools, competitive pricing for many eligible members, and military-focused benefits. It may not be the perfect fit for everyone, but for those who qualify, it remains one of the strongest insurance providers to consider in 2026.